my freaking goodness. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am so excited to start a new series with you guys, and that is cooking / baking with Jen. And that is me, yours truly. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and I hope you'll join my growing family. Yeah. So guys, hindi ko na ito patatagalin pa. Kung kayo ay yung tipo ng taong walang masyadong idea sa pagbe-bake or ayaw ng mga technical stuff sa baking, guys, I got you. So, in this video, I am going to make the chunkiest, the gooeyest, the tastiest cookie in your entire life. And, you know what? You don't need a lot of ingredients in these cookies because you only need 6. And yung isa, to be honest, optional pa if you want a bittersweet kind of cookie na yun ang gagawin natin today. But if not, you only need 5 ingredients. So guys, if you want to know more how to make the yummiest cookie na for sure hindi kayo magkakamaling gawin and maraming matutuwa sa gagawin yung cookies, then just keep on watching. But guys, before we start, please naman, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I create a new vlog or cooking show. Charot! Lahat na ginagawa ko sa channel ko, guys. So guys, please keep watching. And let's start baking!
We'll be needing 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of chocolate chips, and lastly, dark chocolate.
So guys, lalagay nyo lang yung brown sugar over here.
So wala tayong ibang gagawin kundi mag-add lang ng ingredients. Now we're going to put the peanut butter, egg, and now the baking soda.
Half a cup of chocolate chip cookies. Mix it all together.
Now the key here is the consistency. Dapat hindi siya masyadong sticky and it's not too runny. Gumamit ako ng pang ice cream scoop para pare-pareho lang sila na size. And then, ilalagay na natin yung dark chocolate sa loob ng dough. And bibiligan lang natin ng konti. Like so. Hindi naman kailangan perfect yung pagkabilog. Basta make sure na nasa loob lang yung dark chocolate. And then, ilalagay na natin siya sa tray finally. And we're almost done, guys. If ayaw nyo naman i-bake lahat, it's totally okay. Basta make sure that you keep it inside the fridge for a week. And then, i-bake nyo na yung iba. Next step, we'll just put some dark chocolates on top of the cookie. Ayoko lang siya magmukhang plain. And it's also for the aesthetic purposes ng cookie. And we'll just pop it in the oven. Let it sit for 10 minutes. And the temperature is 350 degrees.
Guys, na-excite na ako. Pakita to sa inyo. Guys, wala na kayong makikita pang ganyang kalaking cookie. Ta-da! Guys, what can you say? It's so moist. And the dark chocolate melts just perfectly. Yan. Yung mga medyo buo-buo pa eh. Ooh! Man. So guys, here are my cookies! Kasi sa inyo guys, itong cookie na to, parang 98% nyo siyang mapaperfect. Ang magiging problema lang nito is kung nasunog nyo siya. But, kung babantayan nyo naman siya, approximately 8 to 10 minutes or after 10 minutes, silip-silipin nyo siya. Kung sa tingin nyo medyo hindi pa siya okay, medyo soft pa siya, just let it chill. Patayin nyo na yung oven, pero let the cookie sit still inside the oven. Guys! Tikman na natin. I'm so excited. Look at that, guys. And now we're gonna break it. Are you guys ready? 3. Ooh! Oh my freaking goodness. Oh my god, guys! And now let's taste it. So excited, let's try it. Oh my god. Oh my frick. Oh my god. 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 Guys, don't worry, it's not too sweet. Since naglagay tayo ng dark chocolate sa gitna, it's the perfect combination of sweet and bitter. So you don't have to worry. My god, guys. Talo pa nito yung mga mamahaling cookies na nabibili nyo dyan sa Pinas or dito sa Dubai. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And sana natakam kayo. Please, feel free to comment down below if you have questions for me. Or kung nagawa niyo din siya. Please let me know. I'll see you on our next cooking lesson. See you guys on the next one. I love you all. Bye!